In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to take your own attendance for your art class. When you first come to our course and click on Modules, you'll see Attendance Due Every Day. Click on this assignment. Copy and paste an emoji on the current day to be counted for attendance. Using the Notes section is optional. It's a good spot to note doctor's appointments or other upcoming events. For a tutorial on how to fill out this attendance, click here, and this is the tutorial you are currently watching. This tool needs to be loaded in a new browser window, so we're going to click this button. Alright, once the calendar loads, to be counted for attendance, you're going to drag one of these emojis that you feel represents you to mark attendance for that day. So I could choose this cat one to mark Monday, but if I wanted to use it multiple times, I would click on it and either do Control-C or Command-C, and that'll copy it, and then Control-V or Command-V, and that will paste it. And then I can take the cat over and be counted for a different day in attendance. Of course, you'll only be doing this once per day. So if today was Monday, I would only do Monday's attendance. I also need to put my name up here. And you'll see this notes section right here. I already put that I have a doctor's appointment on August 27th. If you have any other occasion that you'll be out, that's a nice place to mark it. Otherwise, using that is optional for you to use. If you don't see an emoji that you would like to use, you can click on this link right here, and you'll see a wide range of ones that you can use. After you finish putting in Monday, you can exit out of the Google slide, and there should be a blue Submit button. I don't have that button because I'm on the teacher mode, but you should have a blue Submit button that you'll hit every day. And this is how I'll be taking attendance every day. Please let me know if you have any questions.